What's gravy in the Navy, my little babies? No, I'm kidding. That's like FaZe Banks intro. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another 335i video. Let me go get something for you guys real quick.
Are you ready?
I don't think you guys are ready.
Oh my goodness.
Guys, it's been a long time coming. Yo, boy just got in. Well, actually, no, I got this in a long time ago. The problem was, you guys know I've been having some issues with my car, and finally the car is drivable, so I think it's about time we install Kies MotorSports' M Sport side skirts. As you guys can see, we have the front end M Sport bumper, the rear end, and also the whole front end conversion as well. The rear end has the M Sport bumper, and then now we're putting on the side skirts to complete the M Sport. But yeah, really excited about this. This is the M Sport side skirts. After that, I'm gonna probably start looking into a truck, try to do the LCI conversion in the rear, make this look like a 2011, 2012. But before we actually get into this, put this off to the side real quick. I don't know why, but a lot of companies have been reaching out to me to review their scanners. I don't know if I'm a car channel or something, but I don't know what's going on. Basically, we have all kinds of code readers here. We have multiple Carly. I have my own Carly. Let me go get that real quick. We got multiple Carly adapters here. We have a check engine light / smog, readiness scanner. This thing pretty much scans check engine lights, and it scans like if your systems are ready for smog and stuff like that. This guy, I reviewed it just yesterday. I didn't do like an in-depth review because this is like the ultimate tool on all cars. This works for every single car, and it actually has a button right here, a function that it actually has a function where you got to check what the code is, and it'll explain to you how you can fix the code. So this is a really nice scanner, but it is upwards of $200. So it's not really the cheapest scanner. So we got this scanner right here. It was sent out to me today by AutoFix, I'm guessing. I don't know the email, but I'm guessing obviously that's the brand of the thingy McBobber. So that's what we're gonna do a review on today. We're just gonna check it out real quick. I'm just gonna plug it in, see how it works. That's it. And then pretty much after that, as you guys can see, I have a lot of Carly adapters. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon on these. This is my primary one, but we have a lot more sent out by Carly because I say a lot of my videos, I use Carly's adapter. You guys should sponsor me, this and this. It's crazy to say that they actually found my video and they wanted to sponsor the video. So they hooked it up on a few things on the car, and then they also sent me out a few scanners to give away to you guys. So I've been doing a little bit of a, probably a giveaway that will help out the build, but at the same time help you guys out. So I'll talk about these scanners another day. This is very beneficial if you own a BMW, of course. If you guys don't know about Carly, one of the best scanners you can own from BMW. But yeah, we're just gonna talk about this real quick. I don't wanna keep rambling on. Let's test it. Let's check the IMD readiness. Let's read a couple codes, and let's check if it tells the history about the code, and let's check if it actually checks the battery voltage. All this can be done by this as well, but this is half the price. Let's try it out real quick. Quick cold start on a 335 2008. Alright guys, so testing out one of the features, and my camera can't pick up, oh there we go, is the battery function. So if we go over here to the battery function and enter, it gives you a live reading of your voltage. So that's really good. Obviously, if yours is reading like, maybe 10 or 11, your battery is pretty much shot. This is while the car is running. If you turn off the car right now, your battery should, because right now everything's plugged in, it should go down little by little, and eventually it'll stay still. But around 12 is normal when the car is off. 11.5, 12 is normal when the car is off. But yeah, if it's showing these numbers, you're good. I like how it actually shows a live battery feed. That's pretty dope. Alright guys, so I just want to quickly show you guys the functions real quick so we can go ahead and work on the side skirts. So it's cool, you can click IMD readiness. It'll show you all your systems are good to go. You're ready for smog. If any of these are orange, that means you're not good to go. So that means you can exit out of that. That was super quick and easy. We showed you guys the battery function. That was easy. Now we're going to go ahead and enter the OBD system. Show you guys how easy it is to read your codes, and you can even erase codes on here. So I'm going to enter codes right here. Okay, well there's no codes at the moment on this car. That's because your boy cleaned it up good. Alright guys, so currently I don't have any codes, but if you did have a code, all you want to do is get out of this menu, go back to the main menu, go down to your lookup, and you actually have an option to look up the code and see what the code is and pretty much how to fix it. That's super neat. I like that. Pretty much the other scanner that costs $200 is the exact same thing, and this is handheld. So honestly, pretty good scanner. I recommend it. I think if it's like 80 bucks, it's not bad, and this works on all cars, not just BMW.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So,
alright guys, let's go ahead, unbox these bad boys. Shout out to Kies MotorSports for sending these out. Big thanks to him. He's also the same company that sent out the rear bumper. So shout out to Kies MotorSports and Pro Automotion. They're both, from the same owners. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Wow, now that has some girth. And that's what I'm talking about. Guys, I can already tell by the angles, this is gonna be so nice. I love M Sport cars, they're so nice. Actually, yeah, see if my brother, put your foot on that real quick. Oh my God. Oh my God, do you see the angles? This whole thing is protruding right here. That's crazy. Wow. Okay, well, I'm really excited now. All right, boys, those are the side skirts. Let's go ahead and remove ours. I haven't done this in a little bit, so it could be a little bit hard, but let's get into it. Let's just get underneath there and see what kind of screws I need. Also, by the way, guys, because I knew I was gonna get side skirts, down the road. So, your boy had to stack up on some clips. I don't know why I bought over 200 clips, but if you guys need some clips, hit me up if you guys are also local. I don't know why I have all this, but yeah, I'm gonna end up using those. Let's go ahead and get all these screws out. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see the angle, yo. Look at that's crazy. Fitment's amazing, guys. Look at that. That's, I mean, from the side, because it's all black, you really can't see. But if I pull up on a side angle, though, it looks like an M3. That is crazy. It's M Sport. So this is the package you normally get when you go for like the super high-end 335s. So yeah, this is the M Sport package. Side skirts, they look amazing. M Sport bumper, M Sport rear bumper. About to get some clean wheels, about to wrap this baby. Again, I'm holding off on the wrap for at least like another video or two, and we'll discuss that soon. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the other side on and then give this baby a wash, because she hasn't had a wash since, like, pretty sure since the day she was pretty much brought here, honestly. I mean, we washed her once, but we realized there were some holes in the trunk. Since all that stuff got patched up, everything's good till we can finally wash her and get her presentable. Yep, my brother just finished, putting in the bottom screws. He's just tightening them all up right now. It's looking pretty darn good. Right there, it's popping out just a little bit, but I think we're going to maneuver it and just, fit in a little bit better down the road. Not right now, I really don't care. I actually want to get the car out right now, get a really clean wash, because I haven't seen this car washed. And the reason why, dude, look at the angle, guys. That thing's just so crazy. The reason why I just want to wash this real quick is I have a stupid fat headache. So I just want to go ahead and wash this up real quick, go inside, take a little bit of a break, and then I'll come back out. But right now, guys, yeah, I do have a little bit of a headache. We just had finals. Me and my brother just got out of our midterm, so a little bit of a headache. I hate school so much. But yeah, car is looking fly. It's looking amazing. M Sport is like one of my favorite packages, better than the M package in my opinion. And people like put the M3 bumpers and the M3 side skirts in the M3 bumper. I don't like it unless it's an M car. That's just me personally. I do have the M3 replica bumper on the other car, but you guys can see I automatically switched up and I got the M Tech rear bumper on my other car. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, clean up the garage, get the car outside, and give it a good wash. In the box, but your dumbass boy installed it with the original clips. I mean, they're holding up pretty fine now. That's probably why it's sticking out a little bit right there. If I used their original clips, everything would have been A-okay. So if that ends up popping out down the road, I'm probably gonna end up taking out the whole thing anyways to wrap it. So down the road, I'll probably end up taking it back out to put these tabs in and put it back on. But yeah, wow, I'm so stupid. How stupid am I, Dion?
I don't know what to say, man.
How stupid am I, Habibi?
Maximum.
Maximum stupid. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and store this, and I'll fix that another time. But overall, it's good. It's holding on. Car is looking great. Love the way it looks. Again, I went ahead and put the side skirts in there. I'm giving away those free on my OfferUp account. So first come, first serve. I don't care. Come get them. They're yours. Pre-painted side skirts, boys. Anyways, let's get this bad boy out. So car before, finished. Just like that, guys. A little bit wet on the hood there. But look at the car. First time. Look at those side skirts. Looking so good. Yeah, first time this car has been washed pretty much since the day I got it. I mean, I washed the front end a little bit. I did wash the car, but I didn't really wash it in depth because of the hole in the trunk. But now the hole in the trunk is patched, so I don't care anymore. Everything is good. I actually need to dry that off a little bit more down there. But yeah, I gotta drive off the car. I'm just super excited to show you guys how it looks. It's my dad's birthday today. So for those of you guys who made it to this part of the video, if you guys could just say hashtag happy birthday down below, that would be amazing. I showed my dad the video. Thank y'all so much. Also, shout out to Kies MotorSports for sending me these side skirts. I can't thank them enough for sending me pretty much the whole body kit for the car. Absolutely killed it. I'm always gonna be a big time customer slash partner of his because his parts and his quality is like OEM, and you know, I don't want to say he. I talk to he just because like how we communicate, like we're brothers. They're super chill. But yeah, the company as a whole. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna go up, drive the car, get some things out of the garage for my dad before he gets home, and I'm gonna celebrate his birthday with him. Remember to say hashtag birthday down below. Love y'all so much. Remember to stay humble, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
She got me saying, yalla, baby, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. She got me saying, yalla, baby, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. You